Hey folks, I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and it's the end of June here in Arkansas, and that means that fresh sweet corn is coming off right now. So I want to show you how easy it is to cook fresh sweet corn. So what you want to do basically is you want to get this husk off and pull that off real easy like that. And we want to get all of this silk off too. So let me go ahead and get that done real quick. What I like to do is just take cold water and a bristle brush and just kind of lightly start washing this to get that silk off of our corn. And kind of clean that up because you don't want that in your teeth or whatever when you're eating it. So we'll get all that off there real good. Okay, now that I've got all the silk off of this, what I usually like to do is take a paper towel and just roll this up in a paper towel and lightly moisten this paper towel. Okay, just a little bit like that. We're going to place it on a paper plate. We'll place it in the microwave. And I'm going to go ahead and set this for 2 minutes. As soon as that's done, I'll be back in just a minute and show you what it looks like. Okay, well, it's been 2 minutes, and you can see how steamy this is coming out of the microwave. And so I'm going to get this ready. And I've got some little corn holders here. We're going to stick those in so we can handle this hot ear of corn. And what I like to do while it's hot is go ahead and take a little knob of butter here and just kind of lightly, well, that didn't work too good, did it? Anyway, I just want to butter my corn. But look how pretty that sweet corn is, man. That is a good looking ear of corn right there. So we'll get all this buttered down real good. And then I've got a little salt, pepper, and garlic. And you can put whatever you like on your corn. Some people just like salt. Some people don't like anything but just butter. But anyway, so there is how you can make fresh sweet corn in the microwave real easy. And you see how pretty that is, how that turned out. So I'm going to try it. I know it's hot. But that is so good. Man. Anyway, let me know in the comments whether you guys have ever had, if you've ever cooked your sweet corn in a paper plate, with a paper towel on a paper plate in the microwave before. It's real easy to do. It took 2 minutes to do this. And our corn is freshly cooked. It's ready to go. And we're going to enjoy this. So you guys have a great day. It's Mr. and Mrs. Cast Iron. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.